Hi, in this video I want to show you how to install Ubuntu Linux desktop on Virtualbox. If you don't have Ubuntu Linux ISO, please download first the ISO. You can choose 32-bit or 64-bit with Virtualbox, but I suggest you use 64-bit if possible. Here I already download the ISO. So next, open Virtualbox, click new, type your instance, for memory size you can choose any system memory, but as Ubuntu say at minimum is 2 gig system memory, so we choose 2 gig. For hard disk, leave it to default and click create. Next, select file location you want to save virtual hard disk. I choose my location, and for file size hard disk is recommend 25 gig of hard disk, so we can choose 25. And for other setting, leave it to default. Create. Next, click instance Ubuntu, click setting. For general, leave it to empty. For system, okay, for general, okay, for general setting is leave to default. For system, uncheck floppy, and for processor, I set to CPU or to core, but you can choose one CPU or one core if you don't have any spare CPU core. And for display, set video memory to max, enable 3D acceleration, remote no, video no. For storage, choose your ISO, Ubuntu 16.0.4. Oh, 16.4.1. Click open, and next click OK. Leave all setting to default. Next, start your instance. Okay, now Ubuntu live CD is running. If you want to install directly, you can choose this button, or if you want just to try Ubuntu, you can click this button. Maybe we should try Ubuntu first. As you can see, this actually your system will show when installation is complete, not different. If you have playing around and you decide to install Ubuntu, you can double click this icon, select your language. I choose just English and continue. Here, if you want to download, update directly, or install any system directly, I recommend you to install this update and this third-party software, especially if you install this on bare metal. But for Virtualbox, I think you don't need this. It's up to you to install or not. When you don't install this, you can install it later from software update or package manager. Yes, package manager. Click continue. Also, even you don't check this option, Ubuntu will download any software from server. So I recommend you to prepare your connection. Click continue. Leave it to default. Continue. Continue. Where oh, okay. This is input keyboard you use on your system. I just use US keyboard, so I click continue. Here you type your name, choose your password for default user. This is not root user for Ubuntu. Usually you on other Linux, usually you use root user for install software, but on Ubuntu you just use a sudo command for installing any software. You can leave it any setting to default. But if you want to log in automatically, you can choose this. Or you want to protect your system, you should use this option. So anytime you start up your server, you must log in your user. So the okay, click next or click continue. Okay, what is this say? Copying file. Okay, now installing system. This will take about 30 minutes, I think. So we skip this step and okay, now we have success install Ubuntu on Virtualbox. Next, we restart instance. Let's see our installation is okay, is already removed. Enter. Okay, next we log in to our user that we create on installation. What is okay? We have some difficulty here, and maybe we try to restart server. I think my VirtualBox is not responding. Okay, Task Manager, VirtualBox, and test. We start again VirtualBox and try to run again. Okay, we have login now. Okay, now we have success install Ubuntu Linux on Virtualbox. I hope this video can help you to try Ubuntu or playing around with Ubuntu or just to learn Linux. And don't forget to rate this video and click subscribe button and see you in next video.